This is our damage for our house. Can you see? Oh, siding is gone. Siding is gone. These are siding. Gone to the yard. Many of them. So debris. And this place was all watered up last night. This car was under the water yesterday. So these are all debris come from the bay.
You can see over here, the border sand got cleaned out.
Nice
and clean. Got all cleaned out.
Oh no. Okay, lots of debris. And
there's debris out of my jogging area.
Yeah, look.
There's a lot of debris in my jogging area.
Yeah. Look, this is the tanker. And it's supposed to be, that one's supposed to be over there and it came here. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is us eyewitness news. I got news from them. This is why I'm here.
Is anybody here with ABC?
Oh, this is Arizona. Yeah. Wow, look at this. This is unbelievable. This is really unbelievable. That's supposed to be Manhattan over there. And this tanker is stuck in the bay. Here you go. Can you believe it? This is a street. Jeez. Just all of them come from bay. Then it's no, this is park. Park. Then, oh my god, that's a lot. Park was trashed. I heard water was up to bench height last night. Oh my god, this is bad. It's bad.